Hi friends, Success Coach Shawn here, and I am super pumped because I get to chat with you about Trainual University. And if you're like, what's Trainual University? It is simply the Trainual for Trainual. Yeah, this is a place where we have put together training to teach you and your team how to use and implement Trainual in your business. And I'm really excited because we've recently expanded the offerings so that there's something for everyone on your team, regardless of what permission level they're on. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm here logged in as an author in this account, okay? And over on the right-hand side, I've got two ways that I can access Trainual University. I can see the little card here where I can click on Go to Trainual U, or I can click right up here on my little avatar and click on Go to Trainual U. Either one's going to take you to the right place. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that now. And here we are, and we are logged in again as an author. And very first thing I want you to see is that I have been assigned, aside from a Welcome to Trainual University course that's going to tell me really quickly how to use Trainual University, but I've also been assigned Trainual Content Creator Certification. Now that is specific to me as an author permission level in my Trainual account. So what happens is when you log into Trainual University, you get assigned the content that you need based on your permission level. So if I was a contributor permission level, I would also get this content creator certification. If I was an admin, I get the admin certification. Hey, if I'm a general user, there's a course for you too that's going to teach you how to use Trainual. So it's a great tool. You log in, you get the content you need right away. Now, we get even further with this. Let's jump over to the content page now. Everyone has access to the content page. Here is where you can see the content that you specifically have access to. I'm going to go ahead and click on courses. You'll see what's divided between courses and strategy guides. Let's head over to courses. These are the courses I've got access to right now, and check it out. There are other courses there. Can I request access to Super Awesome Training Design? You bet your sweet bippy you can. You just go ahead and click request access. That access gets sent. I will get that and get that approved for you as soon as possible. That way you can get right on into it and keep working on that content. Now, if I pop over to the strategy guides, this is another area that we have expanded very recently. So we have strategy guides. These are reference documents that are available for anyone to view. We've got quite a few in here. We're going to be adding a whole bunch more, but I want to highlight one right now that you might be really interested in taking a look at. That is how to launch Trainual to your team. So we put this together in several different phases to show you how to get this thing launched, how to get the team buy-in, how to get everyone motivated and excited to use Trainual, and all the tools that you need to access it right there. So check out Trainual University. Again, you log into it right from your own account, and then you have access to all this wonderful training, certifications, strategy guides, and a whole lot more. Have a great time. Let us know how we can continue to help you.